breath right here into my thumb. Good. Perfect. There it is. This side up for me, bud. Right there. There I see. Oh. On your back. Breathing into here, breathing and nodding your head. Right there. Breathing into the tip of your sacrum right here. There you go. Let's bring you in the seated chair over here. Scoot your tush forward and then lean back. There you go. Let the shoulders start to drop. Right there. Good. Bring this around. There's a little more lift here. Right there.
Our rotator cuff's been tight on that side as well.
Go ahead and go back to the table, lay on your back, okay, bud? This side up. On your back. Go this side up for me, on your side. And bend this way. Just like that, perfect. So you drop this alien back, and then over this way. And then on your back, that was perfect. Okay, just keep that on. So just pull it out, okay? Yeah, that's better. Come around this way.
my left hand. It's a crossbar. Right there. Shoot.
Right there.
Oh.
Light like a feather. That's sweet. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. You are.